visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. So tignan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Five of Pentacles. And the Page of Cups. So, merong bigla ang nag-deactivate ng kanyang social media account. We may probably know the reason. We're probably wondering what is the reason, or we're totally clueless. The only clear thing that happened here is hindi natin siya mahanap. So, kumbaga sa totoong buhay. Kasi di ba dati wala namang social media account. Pag nawala si person, that's pwede mo siyang ilagay na missing. Pero ito kasi social media account. So we are in a modern world. Missing siya in a way, hindi yung totoo niyang pagkatao. Missing siya, the social media account. Kahit saan mo siya hanapin, maybe deactivated, maybe restricted, whether this is temporary deactivated or totally, no, ever, or pwedeng nagpalit siya ng pangalan with the Nine of Cups. So nakikita naman natin dito na sayang nandito na sana yung you are my wish fulfillment, you are the reason why I fell in love again, no, I envision my future with you. So the Ace of Cups and the Fool card, nakikita natin dito na siguro meron tayong age gap, no? Dito sa person na ito. So, is that gonna be a problem or an issue for this person to totally deactivate their account? Or is it going to be just, a part of the relationship na meron lang kaming age gap? I feel like minahal mo na ito, no? Naibuhos mo na ang lahat, naibigay mo na ang lahat, the love, what else? Time, energy, effort, of course, emotion, monetary can be, with the Two of Cups. So someone here fell in love. Again, you can switch the energies, ha? What I am reading is the dynamic. So, pwedeng ikaw yung nawala, pwedeng si person yung nawala. Parang, love at first sight ang nangyari with the Nine of Wands and the King of Swords. So, love at first sight, tapos, parang naging close kayo, inayos mo yung buhay niya. There's something about you help the person. Like, super help, no? Ang maganda kasi dito, nung tinulungan mo siya, nagkaroon naman ng magandang resulta, no? So, I think that the person here, parang, ano bang ginawa nito? Lang ba siya? Naging close lang ba siya sa'yo because of utang na loob? Or dahil naging mabait ka, kaya naging mabait siya sa'yo? Or is it because of really, no, the emotion per se? Pwede itong LGBTQIA+, no, na relationship. with the Eight of Cups. Bakit kasi nung una pa lang, parang naiisip mo, uh, or someone here, no, parang yung tumulong, naiisip pa lang na, I think that this person's not gonna like me, but I'm going to try anyway. Well, maganda din naman, okay. Yung ibang tao kasi pwedeng itanong dito, alam mo naman pala nung una pa lang bakit tinuloy mo pa. So, ang maganda namang rebuttal dyan is, paano ko malalaman yung sagot kung hindi ko naman susubukan? Diba? I don't want to live in what if, and that what if is going to haunt me for the rest of my life. So, tama nga din naman. Wala namang tama, walang mali. No? I mean, walang mali doon sa, doon sa parehong paksyon. With the Eight of Cups clarified with the Six of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. So, naging maganda naman ang resulta. Naging parang kayo, merong reciprocation, no? Ng either love, energy, time, effort. So, what happened? No? Bakit biglang nawala? With the Queen of Cups, the Seven of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So, nakita natin dito si person, more of, so it kind of make me feel that this person found someone. Actually, hindi man ito love. Pero I think that the person is trying to start, I feel like is there a scheme in here? Parang feeling ko nambubudol si person. Not really, pero parang naging gawain or naging, ang tawag dito, naging routine ni person yung connect for other person, to other person to gain something, no? Hindi man to pawak, hindi naman to call boy, what have you. Baka kasi in need lang talaga si person, but that's not even an excuse to hurt someone else's feelings. I understand that. Ang ayoko lang kasi dito, the person could have not put this into this deep connection and then lalayasan. Hindi yun maganda. Mas maganda sana, hindi ko kaya ha, di ba? I mean, importante ka pero hindi ko masusuklian yung binibigay mo sa akin. No? And I can't even either hindi tayo pwede. Mas okay yun. Or pwede naman na salamat sa tulong mo pero hindi ko kayang suklian, no, yung naibibigay mo. Pero this person rode on, no, doon sa naging feelings mo. Ayoko lang yung part na yon dahil parang feeling natin nagamit talaga tayo. Actually, hindi siya feeling, nagamit talaga tayo. Like, literally. So ngayon si person, nakikita natin, meron siyang bagong prospect, no? Hopefully, bigyan natin ng, ano ba to? Benefit of the doubt si person. Pero kasi, nag-deactivate na nga. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, I want you to know na kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Aries, I'm seeing Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Leo, Virgo, Capricorn,